Hey guys, it's me Hannah and welcome back to Hannah's Hot Glam. Today we are going to be doing a tropical, nice, fruity, not desert island, but like tropical rainforest island girl makeup look. I will be using the new Fenty Beauty Body Lava in today's video, so I'll be using it at the end, so wait till the end of the video. Might as well watch it. I mean, you're here anyway. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first, I'm going to go in with the NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint in the shade Cuba and put that all over my face. I like this for spring and summer because it does have SPF 30 in it, and it's nice and light, so it's not going to be too much coverage for those warm days. Then I'm going to go in with the Kylie Skin Concealer in Oak and just go ahead and conceal my forehead, my nose, my chin, and underneath of my eyes. Taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes and everywhere that I get oily, so my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I'm going to go ahead and also put it on my smile lines so that they don't crease throughout the day. Then I go in and do my brows, but I went ahead and basically skipped through all this because it's kind of boring to watch someone fill in their brows. Then going in with the Anastasia Bronzer in Cappuccino, I'm going to go ahead and hit all of the normal places you would bronze. So underneath of the cheekbones, I'm going to go ahead and do the forehead, the chin, and a little bit on the nose as well. Taking the Kylie blush in Hot and Bothered, which is just a nice coral blush, I'm putting that on the tops of my cheekbones to add a nice natural flush to the face. Going in with the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Gold Skin Frost Pro Palette, I'm going to take the shade Legendary, which is the red shade, and highlight my face, just the cheekbones, the nose, a little bit on the forehead, and the chin, and the Cupid's bow. Taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the Anti-Aging, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. And if you're wondering why I'm smiling, I was watching Power Rangers and it was a really funny moment. So that's just what just happened. Taking the e.l.f. Translucent Powder, I'm going to go ahead and set down my eyeshadow primer. Going in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, I am first going to take the orange shade and add that as a transition into the crease just to sculpt. Then taking that pinky shade, I'm going to go ahead and add that in just to deepen the crease. Taking the yellow, I'm just going to put that to help diffuse and blend everything out. Taking the ColourPop Superstar Loose Pigment in Upshot, which is a nice bright turquoise shade, I'm going to put that all over the lid, and I'm taking a ColourPop shader brush and weighing it with some MAC Fix Plus to really amp the intensity and to make it a really metallic turquoise blue islandy shade. On the lower lash line, I'm basically going to do what I did on the top. I'm just taking the yellow and buffing that on the entire lower lash line. And then after that, I'm going to go into the orange shade and do the exact same thing that I did with the yellow. Just paint it all over the lower lash line. After that, I'm going to go in with the blue shade actually and put that underneath of it as well. And then I do believe I go back in with that orange and put that on top of it. Going back in with the Jeffree Star highlighter palette, I'm taking Sarcophagus and putting that on the brow bone and to the inner corner. And this is a bright, blinding white gold. Taking the Sephora Collection Lip Stories in Celebrate, which is a bright fuchsia pink, I'm putting that on my lips. It's a super pigmented shade and it's so inexpensive. I love them so much. They're so creamy. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and top it with the new Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Big Bang, which is a glitter pink. Taking the Too Faced Festival Refresh, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Now, taking the new Fenty Beauty Body Lava and Who Needs Clothes, I'm going to add some shine to my décolleté. This is gorgeous. I love this shine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a voiceover. It was because I wanted to do a full face, and if I did a full face where I was talking through it, I tend to over talk and talk too much, so the video would have literally been like 20 minutes long, and no one wants to sit there a 20-minute video of me just rambling on and on and on. So I thought I would do a voiceover today. How do you guys like the look? I actually really like it. It's really like tropical and like fun. Originally this video was going to be a festival video and it turned into like a tropical vacation island video, so that's what it is now. I did use the new Fenty Beauty Body Lava and Who Needs Clothes. This is gorgeous. I've worn this multiple times. If you haven't, go check out my I copied Rihanna's like video where she did it on her shoulder and rubbed it in, so go check that out because I did copy it and I think it turned out pretty dang good. But so yeah, go follow me on Instagram, and this is actually really amazing. It is kind of tacky and sticky, so if you're someone who doesn't like that, you're not gonna like this, but it's gorgeous, it's huge, and I freaking love it. It's so gorgeous. Like, look at this shine. Like, oh my gosh, like, this is gonna be like my best friend this summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like and comment down below if you did. Also, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell to be notified when I upload in the future. So stay classy and have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.